Did you know that analysts estimate that women will control 2/3 of this country's wealth within the next 10 years? Women will also be the beneficiaries of the largest transference of wealth in our country's history. And entrepreneurs, that is women-owned firms, they account for over 40% of all privately held firms in the United States. In fact, women-owned firms with 10 million or more in annual sales have increased 57% over the past decade. This subset of women entrepreneurs has been recognized as one of the fastest growing markets out there. Put another way, if women-owned firms were to form their own country, they would have the 5th largest GDP in the world. This is also positive, but herein lies the problem. Women report feeling most disconnected to the financial services industry of all the industries that impact their lives. Sally Krawcheck recently spoke of a study ranking financial services 33 out of 33 businesses that serve women. It is also true that 7 out of 10 widowed women will leave their financial advisor within the first year of their husband's death. On average, widowed women become widows somewhere in their late 50s, so this is typically a time when their wealth is at an all-time high. Advisors are working very hard to replace these lost assets. As an industry, we're failing to make a connection with women. This is a real problem because women will control the bulk of the wealth in this country. Now is the time for firms and advisors to prioritize this opportunity. Women are the market. Women need partners in the management of their assets, in retirement planning, in estate planning, in business succession planning, and much more. A comprehensive planning model is conducive to women. So if you're an advisor and you want to foster stronger relationships with women for retention and recruiting purposes, or you're a product provider and need your strategies to resonate with women, it's time to take a step back and bring resources and attention to your practice and your approach. We're all competing to manage assets in an industry that has performed so poorly in the eyes of women. This is a multi-trillion-dollar market. I see no opportunity greater than this. Women, money, and power. This is a force to serve. The question is, are you and your business ready? This is not a matter of advisor gender, rather it's about advisor knowledge and best business practices. Do we need more women advisors and planners in our industry? Yes, we do. PHConsulting Group will lead you, your team, and company, regardless of gender, to profitability in today's trillion-dollar emerging women's market. Firms, insurance companies, and advisors that make adjustments in their practices will be the leaders of tomorrow. PHConsulting will steer you to the highest levels of practice readiness to seize this tremendous opportunity for growth and profitability. Women represent the largest emerging market today, and that opportunity will only continue to grow.